Alright, guys, hit recap. Random teams, number 1 jumbo for 812. Now we got Michael Baez refractor, Lucio, Turner purple, Teixeira out of 25 jersey, Seth Brown out of 99, Wags puck, Yamamoto, Dunn blue wave, Bear, Agrizal, Kian Wong, green wave, Santander, Sean Murphy, blue wave auto, Helio Armenteros, Lloyd Castro, Josh Hader blue, Luke Purdy, Seth Brown, Robert, Hoskins, Greenwave, Azole, Class, Purple Auto, Robert, Scherzer Blue, Solak, Robert Refractor, Alvarez Refractor, Auto, Alvarez Prism, Toro, Robert, Lankins, Purple Auto, Trout Prism, Davis, Dubon, Gold Wave, Abraham Toro, Zach Gallen, Lindor Purple, Robert, Dustin May, Sheldon Noose, Lopes, Blue Wave Ramirez, Trout Refractor, Gratterall, Refractor, May Prism, Junior Fernandez, Boba Fett Refractor, Lorenzo King, Green Wave, TJ Zook, Robel Garcia, Robert, Kyle Lewis Refractor, Ramon Moyano Green, Robert, Marvell, Webb, Jonathan Hernandez, Lux Refractor, Brendan McKay, Refractor, Anthony K, Acuna Prism, Guzman Purple Wave, Eshelman, Munoz, Justice Dunn, Gio Urshela, Travis Demeritte, Red Wave at 5, and Brock. Alright, guys, that was the break. Thanks again.